Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't type in Windows 10 search bar fixed. First method is right-click taskbar, click Run. Type ccolan \Windows \System32, click OK. Search with Ctfmon. Right-click Ctfmon, click Send to, click Desktop Create Shortcut. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type shell command common space, start up, click OK. Simply drag Ctfmon shortcut to common startup folder. Close and restart system. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Search, click End Task. Third method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Services tab. Right-click WSearch, click Restart. Fourth method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Search. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. Fifth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.